Yesterday, we forecasted this beautiful 1 to 13 risk reward ratio on NASDAQ 100 right here, and it played out absolutely amazing. Let me show you the before, which is right here, which was shared in our MNF mentorship community right here. 1 to 13 risk reward ratio. And then guess what? The market ended up coming all the way to our take profit. And guess what? This was also shared on Facebook for free right here, and you can see that it was seen by over 129 people right here on Facebook. And congratulations to those that were able to actually capitalize on this particular trade, because this played out exactly to the T right here. So let's break down what happened. What did I see for me to actually be able to actually want to sell from this particular trade right here? So let's go, all right? So for starters, you can see that we had a QML, we had a low with a high, which broke structure to the downside, right? Then I anticipated some sort of liquidity to be created because of this high, which was left behind right here. And up above that level, there was an order block, which was left behind. So once the market comes here, I was hoping for the market to take out the liquidity and then potentially come into my area before we can actually see the market going to the downside. Unfortunately, this is exactly what ended up happening on this particular trade. You can see that the market beautifully, after taking out the Asian session, gave us a little bit of a retracement to the downside, came back here, and then guess what? Took out this liquidity area, came and touched into my area during the New York session. And guess what? It was game over, because the market literally melted to the downside, literally melting to the downside all the way to our take profit, which was just amazing. Now let's look at the 4-hour time frame. What was happening there? So if you check on the 4-hour time frame, of course, predominantly we had an uptrend which was going on, but you see right here we had this trend which was actually forming right here. We had lower lows and lower highs which were being created right here, and then guess what? Once I noticed this right here on the 4-hour time frame, we had a rally base drop, and this was formed by big momentum candles. And whenever these things happen, they always tell you that there's presence of smart money in the market. And guess what? This is where this move came from. And as you might know already, this is going to act as a major supply zone. We're going to wait for the market to pull back into this area, then we'll look for potential sales again, because this market end up breaking this structure to the downside. Absolutely beautiful stuff right here. Did we do anything special on this particular trade? No. All we did was simply follow our rules like we always do, and then this turned out to be a win. All right. So this is how the market is, guys. You and I have no control over what's going to happen. Over one trade, you have no idea what's going to happen. I have no idea. All I do is just simply execute my strategy. I'm going to have wins, I'm going to have losses, and the goal is to actually accept them both. If you are a kind of trader who's only dependent on a winning trades to actually make it, you want to win all the trades, you're going to have it the hard way. You're going to have it the hard way, because trading will humble you. All you have to do is just have a proven strategy that has been proven to work over time, right? And once you have that kind of a strategy, all you have to do is just back test it and have the confidence in the strategy that it actually works. When you have those things, then you just have to simply execute, and have a larger sample size kind of a mindset. Execute. The results are going to take care of themselves. These trades are going to come, and if you catch one like this, you're sorted, man. You are sorted. Otherwise, this is a beautiful NAS trade right here, and I hope you guys caught it, because this was shared on Facebook for free and also in our mentorship community right there. All right, so I just want to actually break down this trade, because it was just an amazing trade. And guess what? Black Friday is around the corner. We only have 7 days left right here, and it's my hope that you've taken advantage of the 50% off promotion that we've been running. We are remaining with 7 days only. Remember, it's 50% off all our services. Either mentorship, which is $250 usually, you can pay $125 and have access to lifetime mentorship and lifetime signals and be part of our community. And if it's signals only, you can only pay $25 instead of you paying $50. All right, so the link down in the description if you'd like to actually join us. So make sure you check them down there. All right, you guys, I hope you found value in this video, and if you have, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and comment in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.